The Valve Index is one of the best virtual reality headsets, has an ultra-crisp display that performs admirably even with older GPUs, a wide field of view, a high refresh rate, and Valve's knuckle controllers allows users to track the movement of all of your fingers. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this VR set and see what's in the box. I'm impressed. It comes with 2 base stations, 2 controllers, a VR set, a cleaning cloth, a guidebook, a charging case, a charging cable USB Type-C, and a stylish black VR headset. The Valve Index uses a dual LCD display with a resolution of 1440 by 1600 per eye. It has a 120 Hz display, with the option to bump this up to 144 Hz. When it comes to plugging things into the wall, the 2 base stations require their own outlets to track the headset's location. In each base station, all sensors are mounted in a curved front black box. There are many more features of the Valve Index, and we've outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. The most intriguing part of the kit is the Valve Index controllers. The actual performance of this headset is impressive. You can see the assets and character animations in Half-Life. It has no trouble pushing incredible refresh rates, and its controllers are wonderfully accurate. In a nutshell, considering the picture, quality, comfort, sound quality, value for money, and battery life, the rating is 8.2 out of 10. After going through the user comment posted on different e-commerces, consumers are delighted about the device's high 120 Hz refresh rate, delivers smooth motion, and availability of VR software on PC via Steam VR. On the other hand, the user was dissatisfied with the tethered design, which is occasionally aggravating, and the high price compared to its competitor. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.